Hi, my name is Mar, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series. It's called Reality TV Yapping and Makeup. So basically the concept of this series is that I'm gonna talk about my favorite reality TV shows. I'm addicted to reality TV. I watch a lot of different genres of reality TV shows. I'm gonna talk about them with you guys while doing my makeup. Maybe it could double up as a makeup tutorial while we chit chat and yap about my favorite and your guys' favorite reality TV shows. With all the drama happening in the Big Brother world right now, I feel like it's very fitting to start this series with an episode dedicated to the latest season of Big Brother. I am going to preface this video by saying I did not watch the latest episode yet, the one that came out yesterday, but I've kind of seen the spoiler on TikTok about who is the person that gets evicted, and I'm really not happy about it because I was so here for a Keanu redemption arc. Also, if you guys have a better name for the series, let me know in the comments down below. I kind of just came up with Reality TV Yapping and Makeup on the fly here, but I feel like there might be a better name for this series. Now let's circle back a little bit to the start of this season to why I think a Keanu redemption arc would have been so cool to see. First of all, the fact that he's been on the block for almost every single episode and always just manages to either get himself out by veto or by winning the BB blockbuster or by making some random last minute deal. I feel like the part where he actually never got voted out while being on the block every single episode where there was voting kinda is a slay. Now I'm fully well aware this is not Survivor or The Challenge. By the way, I love Survivor so much and I'm so excited for the new season coming out tomorrow. Now I know that a lot of people don't like Keanu because of the live feeds and how he treats some of the women on the show, which by the way, I do not stand by that. I do not like how he treats the women on the show. Let's be clear about that. But I'm just talking about the gameplay, about the social aspect, about the challenge part of Big Brother. It's just the fact that he's been targeted so much and then managed to stay until final 5 is impressive in itself. Part of that is gameplay. Part of that is the silly little fake relationship he's made with Vinny. I don't believe that any of the relationships he's ever made with Vinny were true or genuine at all because of how snaky Vinny was. But part of it played out to his favor. Also, I really dislike Morgan. I feel like the only way I would actually end up liking Morgan if at the end she's like, ha ha ha, I've been scamming Vinny this whole time. I don't like him. I don't have feelings for him. The cheatments was all fake to benefit off of him. That would be the only thing that would make me like her, which I don't think she's going to do that because it seems like she was just jealous of Lauren, and then the whole cheatments became a really big thing, and how she reacted towards Zach as well. I just think that she's the type of person that is just addicted to male attention, and I don't vibe with those kind of people in real life, and that's part of the reason why I dislike her at the moment. But if she did by any chance say that that was all an act, then I would like her. By the way, I'm going to be linking all the products that I'm using today in the description box, and yes, I am wearing colored contact lenses right now. I'm going to link them down below, and I do have a discount code for them, you guys. It is also going to be in the description box. I'm actually curious to know who your guys' favorite Big Brother player from this most recent season is. Let me know in the comment section and let me know why, because I know a lot of people have a lot of very different opinions, and people that watch the live feeds have also very different opinions than people that don't watch the live feeds. I'm using a blush from Kaleidos to do this pink shadow on my eyes, and I'm actually obsessed. I feel like I need to deepen the pink though. It's really pale, so I'm gonna go over it with this blush from One Size. I'm gonna piss off a lot of people by saying this, what I'm about to say right now. I was not a fan of Rachel on this season. Okay, so my first introduction to Rachel Riley was the Amazing Race season that she was on with her partner, her husband, and then I saw this actual season that she was on Big Brother for. I know she was on a couple, but I'm talking about the OG one here. And on the Amazing Race, she was crying the whole time. Her personality was so annoying and she was so naggy and not iconic at all. I feel like this is also going to be an unpopular opinion, but I think I would be happy with an Ashley win. At the start, Ashley kind of rubbed me the wrong way and I didn't know if I liked her or not, especially with the whole showergate stuff that happened and then her pretending to be dumb, which then she kind of confessed that she was all pretending and acting and she was trying to pull on a dumb bubbly girl act, which I really liked her for that and for admitting that, because otherwise I would have not liked her at all. And then she kind kind of grew on me. I don't know. After Rachel left the house, I feel like she kind of started playing her own game finally and not riding on other people's decisions and stuff and not being protected at all anymore. And I feel that's when she actually started showing her true personality. And I think that I would be fine with her winning. I would be more upset with Vinny or Morgan winning than I would be with her winning, which makes her the more suitable option in my eyes to be the winner. Also, this scene of hers is so iconic. I'm just gonna put it on the screen here, but her personality is literally so girly pop. I feel like her and I would be friends in real life. I want to do glitter with this eye look, so I have some glitter on this brush from Kaleidos. It's kind of like this really cool purple shade. I'm gonna get closer to show you. Put it like in the middle here. So pretty. Literally one of the prettiest glitters I own. I zoomed in because I really like this eyeshadow look. I feel like you guys need to have a better view of it. It's genuinely so pretty. That glitter really tied it in. I'm gonna do the tiniest baby wing liner with some black eyeshadow and come back. Okay, I think I succeeded with doing a teeny tiny winged liner with some black eyeshadow. Usually when I attempt to do a really tiny winged liner, it does not come out really tiny. Now I'm going to be using my Parnell Foundation. This one is in the shade 34N with a Fenty Beauty foundation brush. There's so many good characters in this season of Big Brother that left a little bit too early. I would have really enjoyed seeing Jimmy on my screens a little bit longer. He had a lot of character, he brought in some sass, and I feel like a lot of the current people that are still on the show lack that funny and entertaining personality, which is exactly what you need on most reality TV shows. For concealer, I'm going to be sticking with my favorite Armani Beauty Luminous Silk. This concealer is so good. It's honestly the only concealer I actually go for. Another person that I would have enjoyed seeing in the house for a little bit of a longer time is Catherine, without Riley, of course. Especially after Riley got voted out of the house, Catherine's personality started actually shining a little bit more, and she was actually really fun to watch. Rumor has it though that she's actually hanging out with him in Oklahoma right now. Also, this was more towards the end, but I really liked Will. I think that Will was one of my favorite characters. I would have honestly been so happy if he ended up winning and got some money for him and his chocolate drop. What? Jump scare. I almost literally did not recognize myself because of how bright my under eyes look like. I need a lot of sleep. My 9 to 5 has literally been killing me lately. I also feel like if we let Zay in the house for a little bit longer, that would have been more interesting. Maybe we should have gotten rid of Riley first. And by we, I mean like the people in the house. I also really like Ava's personality, but I don't like her gameplay. I was expecting a lot more from her, but she almost gave us nothing. Crickets. She sleeps half of the time. I just quickly misted my face with my favorite product ever, this Clarins Mist. I also quickly set my under eyes with these two products over here. Now for blush, I'm basically gonna copy the same exact combo I used on my eyelids. So starting off strong with the Kaleidos pink blush. This is such a pretty baby pink blush color, almost really similar to Kylie Cosmetics Winter Kiss. I truly though think that the winner of the show is going to be Morgan. I don't think Vinny has a chance next to her, especially if he's going to bring her with him to final two if it ends up being that way instead of the other way around. I am one of those people that truly think his entire game was just Morgan's game. She was whispering in his ear exactly what she wanted to be done. She truly gaslighted him through every one of his HOHs, yes, every single one, to put the people that wrote her name down in voting on the block. And they ended up getting evicted. Every single person that wrote Morgan's name down at some point in the game ended up being on the block through one of Vinny's HOHs because Morgan whispered that into Vinny's ears and convinced him. Ooh, I feel like it would be fun to use the same glitter that I did on my eyelids on my cheekbones because this is actually a highlighter. Let's see how that looks. I feel like it's gonna tie the whole look together. I'm gonna lightly do it with a fluffy brush though. Oh wow, this is so pretty, but I keep forgetting this product is so pigmented. I need to blend it so quickly or it becomes really streaky. Light and the camera here really doesn't do it justice. Like I'm trying to show you guys how this highlighter slash glitter looks, but it's like literally non-visible. I genuinely feel like if something crazy doesn't happen in the next episode where Ava or Ashley win something and change the course of the game, Morgan is going to be the winner. Mark my word. I am usually not a gloss girl, but I feel like this look deserves a gloss. I did Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and then Annabelle lip liner to kind of fade it out a little bit. Now we're doing Dolly from Buxom. This smells so sweet. It smells so good. It kind of smells like dessert. The Buxom is one of these brands that doesn't get enough recognition, but it needs more hype because its products are actually so good. This is the final makeup look. Really cute and girly, vibrant pink glitter eye with a pink cheek. I'm actually obsessed with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of my new series. Let me know in the comments below if I should change anything, or if you guys want to comment your opinion about this season of Big Brother and what other shows should I recap, comment on, and yap and do my makeup with you guys in a video about, like I did in this one. This series is going to be either a weekly series or a bi-weekly series from me. I'll let you guys know, and I'll post on my YouTube channel community feed whether I'm going to keep it as a weekly schedule or a bi-weekly schedule. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you guys on Instagram and TikTok as well. Bye for now.